and welcome back to Marta from Sparta. We continue Made with Love projects, and since the heart sweater was so popular and you guys like this project so much, today we're gonna actually do another thrift flip. We're going to flip old men's shirt into super stylish Anthropologie Valentine's shirt. So we're gonna need white men's shirt or women's shirt, whatever you guys want. Well, it doesn't have to be white. I'm doing white. And we're gonna need one set of hot fix rhinestones. We used them multiple times making shoes in previous videos. Very similar concept to the gray sweatshirt we did, but instead of using felt, we will use rhinestones to create this elegant but very simple Valentine's shirt. And I really think that less is more. So I do love the shirt which I saw online, but again, we can make it cheaper. So go to your husband's closet, steal the white shirt, or maybe you have one for yourself. I'm using the one which I had in my closet already, and I do have actually a stain on my pocket which I cannot get it out, and I was about to throw it away, but then this project came across and it's just perfect shirt and perfect project to cover this stain. Same exact size of the heart I used for the gray sweater video, and I'm using also my sewing washable marker. It's gonna come off in wash, and I'm heating up one of my guns, and yeah, I'm gonna try to design it the way, or draw the heart the way, so my stain, which I cannot get it out, will be covered. And this is my shirt, like little bit bigger one, like oversized. I like kind of like oversized white shirt look, but it's fitted, so I think I'm gonna be fine. As far as the size go, I just have to think how I want to do it in order to cover this stain. So I think the placement will be actually right on point, and I can always use the more rhinestones in this section, just like that, to cover this stain. I don't know how did I get it. I can't get it out, but hey, we are recycling all clothes and creating something new. So I'm gonna just trace this shape. And please remember, you do not have to do white shirt. You do not have to do the same colors I'm doing what works for me and for my current closet. You do you, and you do what you like. You can do red shirt with white rhinestones. You do red on pink, pink on red, whatever you guys want. This is just to show you how you can turn some old shirt into something fun and new, okay? So I did trace the heart, and my heat gun is getting warmer and warmer. And I think I'm also gonna find the size in the meantime. I'm just gonna find a size of the rhinestones I want to start with, so my attachment, before it's going to get too hot, I can actually test it out. And here we go. That's the set of rhinestones I'm using. And I also have some reds. Well, you're gonna need the, oh my goodness, tweezers, because it's easier to pick up the rhinestones. And as you see on my inspiration image, you're starting from the big rhinestones to too small. And that's how you actually check the size of the rhinestones. So this attachment, am I able to take it off? Yeah, I'm still going to, because these rhinestones are actually, too. Or maybe I should keep it as a matter of fact. I should even start with the bigger ones. So I have to find the rhinestones which will actually fit this attachment, and that's how you check it. Yep, that's what it is. So actually probably that's the last size I was working with. So I don't have that many rhinestones, or maybe I do. So we're gonna start with the large sizes. So I'm gonna place first one right on this ugly stain I have, and you basically hold it down until the glue under the, I'm gonna probably have to put something in between, maybe like a piece of paper. So hold on guys, I'm gonna pause you, bring the piece of, because the last thing I need is 2 layers to stick together, right? So we will be starting first from the actual shape of the heart, and we're starting from the biggest rhinestones you want to attach to your shirt, and that's the ones which actually I want to go with. So this project requires a lot of patience, as you have to wait and wait and wait and wait for the glue to set and a rhinestone to stick. So there you go. And I'm happy I put actually paper under, because as I predicted, then my layers would actually stick. Here we go. The first rhinestone is attached. So I'm gonna go with this size all around my heart. So I will put you guys on time lapse, so you guys don't have to watch it in real time, because it will be a while. And voila, shirt is ready. Something simple as that can look so elegant, and you don't have to really dress up that much, because this heart does the job for you. So as you see, I was able to also cover that stain. There is no more stain. I don't know where the stain came from originally, but it's gone. I did a good job designing the heart around the stain, so the stain is gone. And simple as pair of jeans and this awesome shirt, which took me an hour to make, and I'm ready to go for the semi-casual Valentine's date, right? So yeah guys, I really recommend you this project. It was super easy, super fast, and I had so much fun doing it, listening to my books and creating that beautiful design on my shirt. So I hope I inspired you with this quick Valentine's projects, and you will thrift and upscale your own white shirt. Maybe you have tons of them in a closet and you can turn one into something more festive, or steal your husband's shirt, or just go to the thrifting store and get one. This one was super easy. I think it was easier even than the felt sweater. And I have a few more quick ideas for you for the month of February. We're gonna relove more items in our closets. We're gonna create something fun and new out of them. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week.